Hey everyone, welcome back. We've all seen the Vercel style tab switcher. Clean, minimal, smooth, and honestly, it looks great. But then I saw this. I was instantly amazed by how this looks, the depth, the softness, the way it feels almost physical on the screen. It instantly stood out, so I decided to share exactly how to build this from scratch with you guys. So open up your editors, let's dig into the coding part. So in here we have nothing but two files, that is a HTML file and a tile sheet. So let's link the style sheet. So this is it for the HTML part. So let's style this with CSS. So the CSS now are completed. Let's see how this actually looks. It's very smooth and it's looking totally fine, but the clicks aren't working. So let's add a bit of JavaScript there. For the JavaScript, we'll not be using another file. We'll just write the JavaScript here. So now the JavaScript is complete. Let's see if it's working now. So now it looks perfect and totally working and very smooth. So that's the final result. Quick mention, this was inspired by a tweet, which link you can find in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and follow me for more interesting content like these. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep exploring.